Introducing the ultimate camping and travel companion. This lightweight microfiber towel is exactly what you need for your next travel adventure. These towels pack down small, so you can take them anywhere. They're ultra absorbent and can quickly dry you off after a shower or swim in the lake. We offer 2 size options and several colors. Our large size is 2 feet wide by 4 feet long and comes with a free 12-inch by 12-inch washcloth. The extra large is 2.5 feet wide by 5 feet long and comes with a free 12-inch by 24-inch hand towel. These towels are made with the highest quality microfiber blend. This particular fabric blend is specially combined to make these towels extremely soft and very absorbent. When you first receive your towel, we recommend washing it. This will make the towel more absorbent. Our convenient snap loop allows you to easily hang your towel to dry and have it quickly accessible. When you're done with your towel, simply fold it up and place it back in the breathable carry bag. We are Wise Owl Outfitters. Years ago, we set out to make an awesome, high-quality hammock at a reasonable price. Since our first hammock, we've expanded our product line to include many useful and eye-catching products under the Wise Owl brand. We're located in the beautiful state of Tennessee and take great pride in being a U.S. company. We strive every day to improve our design, technology, and processes to offer the best and most useful outdoor gear and products possible. We hope our gear can give you a reason to get outside and enjoy our beautiful world.